Hello students, my name is Teacher Tanisha. The topic we are going to learn today is comparing numbers. Now what do you understand by the term comparing numbers? Yes, correct. To differentiate between two different numbers. So by comparing, we will come to know or we can define how much a number is greater or smaller. Okay? So I am going to narrate a story to you about two friends, Anjali and Preeti. One day, Anjali and Preeti had a bet. They wanted to know who is stronger among them, who weighs more. So both of them stepped on the weighing machine and they found out that Anjali's weight was 27 kgs and Preeti's weight was 35 kgs. Now can you tell me who is stronger among them? Yes, obviously Preeti, as Preeti's weight was 35 kgs and Anjali's weight was 27 kgs. Now when I ask you this question, what am I actually telling you to do? I'm actually telling you to compare both the numbers and tell me which number is greater. Now can you tell me which is the greater number between 27 and 35? Yes, correct. So we have the greater number as 35. That is 27 is less than 35 or 35 is more than or greater than 27. Now we'll move on to the second example. Now say suppose you and your friend has got some chocolates. Here students, your friend has got some chocolates and you have also got some chocolates. So let us count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your friend has got 7 chocolates. And you have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have got 5 chocolates. Okay. Now can you tell me who has got more chocolates? Yes, your friend has got more chocolates. That is 7 is bigger number than number 5. So 7 is greater than 5. Now we make such comparisons in our everyday lives, don't we? Yes, we do. Say suppose who scored more in a cricket match, who has got more toys, who has got less toys, who has got more chocolates, who has got less chocolates, and so on. Don't you think? Wouldn't be easy if we know how to do the comparison on our own? How to be quick in it or how to do it with an easier way? So let us now move on. So, students, do you recall these signs? Yes, this is, the first one is greater than sign. The second one is less than sign. And the third one is equal to sign. Now, do you recall the evil alligator who used to always open its mouth wherever he saw a bigger number and he used to just eat it up? He used to only eat the bigger number, not the smaller number. Let's watch a short clip based on comparing numbers.
Was an alligator living in the swamp, would sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever two numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are two numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
So students, how was the video? Did you understand now how to compare numbers? Yes. So now we'll move on to 3-digit numbers. So students, here there are two numbers which are given. So let us read the statement now. The greater than sign eats up the number on the left. Now what did you all watch in the video? The video says that the alligator, the evil alligator, eats up only the bigger number. Now can you differentiate and tell me which is the bigger number here? there are two numbers which are given. First number is 123 and the second number is 121. So we have the alligator here. So can you tell me which is the bigger number? Yes, correct. We have 123 as the bigger number. So the alligator is going to eat the bigger number. Correct? So we have to use the greater than sign. Now where is the number? Is it on the right hand side or the left hand side? It is on the left hand side. So the statement says that the greater than sign eats up the number on the left. So 123 is greater than 121. Here there are two numbers, that is 116, 126. So let us read the statement. The less than sign eats up the greater number on the right. So can you tell me which is the greater number here? Correct. We have 126 greater than 116. So we need to use the less than sign towards 126. So we say that 116 is less than 126. So less than sign is used for a greater number which is always on the right. So we say it as 116 is less than 126. Now students, the next statement, the equal to sign is used in between two equal numbers. Now can you see here we have got two numbers which are one and the same. Here we have got number 95 and here also we have got number 95. So the statement says that the equal to sign is used in between two equal numbers. So when the numbers are equal, one and the same, we need to use the equal to sign. And we read it as 95 is equal to 95. I repeat, 95 is equal to 95. So now students, we have here some tricks for you which will make comparing easier for you. We have the first trick here, that is read, count the number of digits in each number. The number with more number of digits is greater. Let us read it again. Count the number of digits in each number. So they said to count the number of digits in each number. Here we have got two numbers, okay? And in each number now we have to count the number of digits that we have. So in the first number, in the first case, we have got here 120. So we have got here 3 digits. Yes? And here we have got number 87. We have got here 2 digits. Now obviously 3 is greater than 2. So they said count the number of digits in each number. Okay? That we did here. 3 and 2. Now the next statement, the number with more number of digits is greater. Now which digit is more? Yes, 3. So we have 123 is greater than 187. So which sign do we use here now? The greater number is on the left. So we need to use the greater than sign. So we use the greater than sign. Let us take one more example. Here we have got two numbers, number 99 and number 105. So what does the first trick says? The first trick says that count the number of digits in each number. So let us count the number of digits in each number. So first number has got 2 digits. The second number has got 3 digits. Okay. Now, the next statement of the first trick says that the number with more number of digits is greater. Now, can you tell me which number has got more number of digits? Correct. Number 105. So which side is the greater number now? Yes, it is on the right hand side. So we need to use the less than sign. So we say it as number 99 is less than number 105. So number 99 is less than 105. The second trick says that if both the numbers have equal number of digits, then compare the first digit of the number. If the first digit is greater, then the number is greater. I'll repeat. If both the numbers have equal number of digits, then compare the first digit of the number. So, the first half of the statement says that if we have equal number of digits in both the numbers, then we have to compare the first digit of each number. And the number which is greater, the digit with the greater number will be greater. So here is one example. So we have got the statement says that if both the numbers have equal number of digits. Now here students we have got equal number of digits. That is, here we have got 3 digits and even here we have got 3 digits. Now the next statement says that to compare the first digit of both the numbers. So we compare the first digit of both the numbers. Okay. Now here we have got number 2 and here we have got number 1. Now who is greater? Obviously 2. So we have got 203 greater than 115. So we use the greater than sign to say that 203 is greater than 115. Can you try this out on your own? We have got here 215 and 405. So the first case, what does the first case says? The first trick says that to count the number of digits in each number. So here we have got 3 digits, 3 digits. Now what does the second trick says? The second trick says that to compare the first digit of each number. Yes? Correct? So now which is greater, 2 or 4? Correct. 4 is greater than 2. So where is the number? It is on the right hand side. So we are going to use less than sign to say that 215 is less than 405. I repeat, 215 is less than 405. Moving on to the third trick. Let us read the third trick now. If the first digits are equal, then compare the next digit of the numbers. If the digit is greater, then the number is greater. I repeat, if the first digits are equal, then compare the next digits of the number. If the digit is greater, then the number is greater. Now here we have got two numbers, students. The first number is 437 and the next number is 426. Okay, so we'll try to apply the first trick. So the first trick says that to count the number of digits. So let's see the number of digits here. 1, 2, 3. We have got 3 digits in one number, and here also we have got 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So the first digit is not applicable. So we'll jump to the second trick. So the second trick says that compare the first digit of each number. So the first digit is 4 here, and here also it is 4. So the second trick is also not applicable. So now we'll go to the third trick. So the third trick says that if the first digits of the two numbers are equal, then compare the next two digits of the numbers. So the next digit here is 3 and here it is 2. So now tell me which is the greater number here? It is 3. So we have the number 437 greater than 426. So we need to use the greater than sign for the number which is greater on the left hand side. Let us take one more example. We have here number 234 and 243. So the first trick says that to compare, to see how many digits are there. There are 3 digits here as well. So the second trick says that the first digit to compare. Here the digits are the same. So we'll jump to the next trick. That is to compare the second digit of each number. So here we have got 3 and here we have got 4. So which is greater? Correct. 4 is greater than 3. So we have number 243 greater than 234. So which sign should we use here? Yes, less than sign. So we use the less than sign for the number on the right hand side. And we read it as 234 less than 243. I repeat, 234 is less than 243. Now moving on to the fourth trick. Let us read out the fourth trick. Keep on applying trick 3 till you get the greater number. Now what does that mean? We'll read it again. Keep on applying trick 3 till you get the greater number. Now here we have got two numbers, 326 and 329. So we'll apply the first trick. The first trick says that to count the number of digits. So here the number of digits are equal, 3 here and 3 here. Moving on to the second trick. Second trick says that to compare the first digit of both the numbers. So here we have got 3. Here also we have got 3. So the second trick is also not working. Now we'll go to the third trick. Third trick says that to compare the second digit of each number. Here we have got 2. Here also we have got 2. So the third trick is also not working. Now the trick 4 says to keep on applying the trick 3 till you get the greater number. Now after comparing the second digit of each number, if the digits are the same, we need to compare the third digit of the number. So we move on to the third digit. Okay, so we have got here 6 and here we have got 9. So tell me which is greater, 6 or 9? Correct. 9 is greater than 6. So we have 326 is less than 329. So which sign do we use here? Less than sign. So we use less than sign to say that 326 is less than 329. I repeat, 326 is less than 329. We have here another example, number 187 and the second number is 185. So let us start from the first trick. So the first trick says that count the number of digits. So here the number of digits are 3. Here also it is 3. Second trick says that to compare the first digit of each number. Here it is 1. Here it is 1 as well. The third trick says that to compare if the first digits are equal, then compare the second digit. Second digit is 8 here and here 8 as well. So the third trick is also not working. Now the fourth trick says that to keep on applying trick 3 till you get the greater number. So from here we move on to the third digit. Yes. So we see that here we have got number 7 and here we have got number 5. Okay, so now 7 is greater or 5 is greater? Correct, 7 is greater. So we have got here 187 greater than 185. So now tell me which sign do we use here? Correct, greater than sign. So we use greater than sign to say that 187 is greater than 185. I repeat, 187 is greater than 185. Moving on to the fifth trick, we'll read it. If all the digits in the two numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. I repeat, if all the digits in the two numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. Now here we have got two digits here, two numbers with 3 digits each. We have here 925. Here also we have got 925. So here we have got 3 digits. Here as well we have got 3 digits. Now here we have got the first digit is 9. First digit is 9 as well. The second digit is 2 here and 2 here again. Now moving on to the third digit. Here it is 5. Here it is 5 again. So all the 3 digits in both the numbers are equal. So if all the digits in the two numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. So now we use here equal to sign because both the numbers have equal number of digits and the same digits. So we say that 925 is equal to 925. I repeat, 925 is equal to 925. Here we have got one more example, number 766 and here 766. Now the number of digits are 3 here and 3 here again. So we have got 3 and 3. Then next the first digit we have to compare, 7 and 7 here. Now here the second digit to compare, 6 and 6 here again. The third digit 6 here and 6 here again. So all 3 digits in each numbers are equal. So we use the equal to sign to say that 766 is equal to 766. I repeat, 766 is equal to 766. I hope you all have enjoyed the explanation. You can try this out using different numbers. Hope to see you soon. Stay home, stay safe, be happy.